Ever get that feeling? Like you're stuck with tech that's practically vintage from a different era.
Oh, absolutely. Like trying to use a rotary phone in the age of smartphones.
Exactly. And it's not just a matter of nostalgia, right? We're talking about legacy systems, those crucial but often outdated tech systems that many businesses rely on every single day.
Right. The backbone of so many operations.
So today, we're diving into a company called Quigist and their unique approach to breathing new life into these legacy systems with their Genio platform.
Their approach is called the UPTO methodology, and it's fascinating stuff.
Yeah, UPTO, updating obsolete technological platforms. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. But in reality, it's addressing a very real and very expensive problem.
Absolutely. Legacy systems, as vital as they are, can become a real burden. Think about the security risks alone in today's digital landscape.
It's like trying to secure a medieval castle with a flimsy wooden fence.
A pretty accurate image.
Yeah.
And then there's the impact on productivity. Employees wrestling with clunky interfaces, manually inputting data.
Talk about a time warp. And that's not to mention the missed opportunities for automation, data analysis, all those things that modern systems handle with, well, modern ease.
It's a hidden cost that can really hinder a company's ability to innovate and compete.
Okay, so we've laid out the problem. These legacy systems are like dinosaurs. They once ruled the earth, but now they're holding businesses back. So how does Quigist propose we tackle this with their UPTO approach?
Well, imagine instead of demolishing that old building, you renovate and modernize it from the inside out. That's essentially what UPTO does. It bridges the gap between outdated technology and the demands of the modern digital world.
So it's less about ripping and replacing, more like renovating and rejuvenating.
Exactly. UPTO focuses on understanding the existing system, all those intricate processes, workflows, and business rules that have been built over time.
So like mapping the DNA of a legacy system.
Precisely. They create a comprehensive blueprint of how the system operates. Then they use that blueprint to rebuild those processes on their Genio platform. This platform is designed specifically for flexibility and modern integration.
So they're taking the best of what works and bringing it into the 21st century. What does that actually look like for the people using these systems every day?
That's one of the key advantages of UPTO. Because they're preserving those existing workflows, the transition for users is remarkably smooth.
So no need to retrain your entire workforce on a completely new system.
Exactly. It's evolution, not revolution. And that means less downtime, less confusion, and a faster return on investment.
And from a business perspective, that's huge. But it's not just about keeping the lights on, is it?
Absolutely not. This is about giving companies the tools they need to not just survive, but to really thrive in today's market.
So we're talking about better decision-making, faster innovation, a more agile response to changes in the market, all those things that can give businesses a competitive edge.
Exactly. It's about unlocking potential that might have been trapped within those legacy systems.
It really makes you think, doesn't it? In a world where technology is constantly evolving, what could your business achieve if you weren't held back by outdated systems? What could you accomplish with the right tools at your fingertips?
It's an interesting question, and in many ways, that's what makes the UPTO methodology so compelling.
It certainly gives you a lot to consider.